Hi, I'm Carson Taves. Today we're going to take a closer look at our prepackaged solar units. Here we have two units, a 4.3 kilowatt grid tie unit and a 6.4 kilowatt off-grid unit with generator and a battery backup. The panels shown here are 360 watt, 72 cell monocrystalline panels. The 6.4 kilowatt unit has 18 panels and the 4.3 kilowatt unit has 12 panels. There are numerous standard sizes available, and custom sizes can be easily made for specific applications. A fourth row of panels can be added to increase the size of the array using the same size of support structure. The largest single units feature 24 415 watt panels for a total capacity of about 10 kilowatts. Numerous frames can be bolted together when larger systems are needed. Both of these particular units have pure sine wave SMA inverters. The grid tie unit has a 4,000 watt SMA Sunny Boy inverter. The off-grid unit has a 6,000 watt SMA Sunny Island inverter. Since the inverter only comes in a NEMA 1 enclosure, we've housed it inside a NEMA 3R enclosure to protect it from the weather. Inverters come in a range of different sizes and brands and can be upgraded for remote monitoring with a computer or a smartphone. This control cabinet is set up to hold three Simplify 3.8 kilowatt hour lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries require no maintenance and put off no toxic gases or odors. The Simplify batteries selected for this unit have a 10,000 cycle life, which will last for over 20 years in most household applications. The generator that we have here is a Generac EcoGen 15 kilowatt generator that can be run off of propane or natural gas. The electrical side is completely hooked up to the solar equipment. On the fuel side, the homeowner will need a few basic components to connect it to the fuel source. This off-grid unit is equipped with our cold weather package. It consists of a warming pad for the generator oil filter, a warming pad for the generator battery, as well as insulation and a space heater for the control enclosure. The temperature control on the heater can be easily adjusted, and the recommended setting is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Here where we are in Colorado, it gets to negative 30 degrees several times a year, so this is an important feature to have. The structure is a bolted and welded structure. Here we have 8-inch beams on the side, and the cross members and uprights are 4-inch square tube. It can be painted or galvanized. In this case, it is galvanized. Every unit must be anchored to protect it from high wind. The units come with holes along the side members that can be anchored to a concrete runner or directly to the ground using earth anchors. These units were specifically designed to be modular. Notice how the side rails have holes on the end, and they can be bolted together with the use of a small bracket. Anything more than 24 panels will be split up into two units to simplify handling. When the units are together, they appear as one unit. Our primary mission when designing these units was to provide a turnkey and trouble-free solution for the homeowner. We accomplished this with these two advantages. A one-stop solution. We take on the role of the system designer, the equipment distributor, and the system installer. We can also assist the homeowner in applying for state and federal tax rebates, and in grid tie applications, we can help the homeowner define the requirements of the local power company and county. Delivery is made easy. The entire design is built to use the same equipment used to move garden sheds and shipping containers. So most shed delivery services in the country are able to utilize their existing equipment to deliver and place these arrays in their final location. In almost every application, no crane or heavy lifting equipment is needed. Call us today for more information and pricing on these prepackaged solar units. These units are as turnkey as you can find. We have them in stock and ready to ship with finance options available. Getting into solar has never been this easy.